have some affordable wireless earphones to try out and review. Let's get to it. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video I have a product review for you and it is on this. So this is the X08 wireless earbuds. I am super excited to test these out. I've actually been wanting a pair of these. My other ones broke a little while ago and I haven't got around to replacing them, so perfect timing. So these were gifted to me. I did not pay for these whatsoever. They were gifted to me on the fact that I would do a review video and pop it on my YouTube channel. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Just because I've been gifted these does not mean that automatically gets it a good review. If there's something that I don't like about this, I will certainly let you know. So yeah, let's get to unboxing them. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, smash that thumbs up button. Right, so first of all, if you are interested in purchasing these, you can find these on Amazon. On Amazon, they are called Wireless Headphones X08 Rose Gold Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth Headphones with microphone, 40-hour playtime, touch control, IPX7 waterproof running headphones. So that is a title and a half. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing them, I'll leave a link in the information box and the comment box. Just click on that link and treat yourself or treat a loved one. I think these would make a really good gift if they work okay, that is. And they are for the bargain price of £25.99, which is really good. So you can get these in the rose gold colour or you can get them in black. These are rose gold, so let's open them up. So I'm really liking the box. First of all, it's a good quality box. So we have this, it's a little manual with information on. We shall have a look at that at the moment. And this is inside the box. So let's take it out. Oh wow, these feel really good quality and I've only had them in my hand for 30 seconds. Okay, we're just going to pop those to the side a moment. Left in the box we have, okay, we just have some foam there that was keeping them nice and stable. Next we have this. Right, so in here we have the charging cable and we get some spare little ear tips that go inside your ears that go on the headphones. Yeah, different sizes, cool. And then this is the case, so let's just take this packaging off. Well, it's looking very sleek. We have some plastic here. Let's take this off as well. And there we go. They would fit absolutely lovely in a pocket, in a handbag, anything. Let's open it up. And this is inside. Ooh. All right, so I don't know if it's picking up on my camera. Let me turn my light off a moment. So there we go. We have left ear and right ear, and you can see on there they're 89% charged at the moment. I really like that, how you can see what the battery percentage is. That's really good. So yeah, let's open them once more. This is what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness, it's magnetic. That's brilliant. That's really cute. So you just pick it up and it automatically puts itself in. So this is the back of it. As you can see, that is the hinge there and it opens. So I'm going to take both of these out and pop them in. Right, so I have just popped my light back on so you can actually see them in my ears. Just going to pop my hair behind my ears. So let's turn to the side just to show you. So yeah, that is what they look like in. Very comfortable in the ears, I must say. I think they look very smart and streamlined, very modern, but not too in your face, which is really nice. What do you guys think? Do you like them? You can see they don't stick out too far or anything like that, which is great. Very nice. Right, so I've just took them out a moment. We're just going to look at the manual for a second. So let me have a little look. Right, so the first thing the manual is telling me is to pair them with my phone. So let's do that. Wow, that was quick. So there it is there, if you can see. I've just clicked it and I'm now connected, and the voice in my ears, a voice in my head, it's just told me connected. I'm just going to put on Selena Gomez, Lose You to Love Me. So obviously you won't be able to hear this, copyright and all of that, and it's earbuds obviously, but I'll describe it to you. It's really clear, really comfortable, really nice. I've just turned it up to full volume. I'll just pause that a moment because I think I was shouting, sorry. I've just put it up to full volume there, and the bass is actually perfect. For some really affordable earphones, the bass isn't too strong, don't get me wrong, it's not the best bass, but the bass for what they are, perfect. There's not too much, which is really, really good. So also on the manual, it's telling you what you can do with the earphones, so they are also touch activated as well. So if I'm reading this correctly, to play a song you press the left ear. Let's see, it's my hair's in the way. Yeah, it works. To pause a song you press the right ear. Yeah, okay, yeah, paused, brilliant. Right, so next, you press the right ear twice to skip a song forward. You press the left ear twice and it'll skip the song back. So let's just see that. My hair's in the way. Yeah, it has gone onto the song Ring, so that works. Let's see if it goes back to the other song. Yeah, it has, cool. I'll leave that one till last. Next, if you get a phone call, you can answer your phone on these. So to pick up the phone, you do the left ear twice, when it rings obviously, and then to hang up, you press the right ear twice. To reject a call, when a call comes through, it's only on the left ear. You press and hold for 2 seconds and it rejects the call. That is good. Voice assistant, you press and hold 2 seconds on the left ear, I think it is. Is it just the left? Hi Siri, can you hear me? It heard me. That's brilliant. Right, so the last thing to do on here is to turn them off. So on the right ear, you press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just made a bleepy noise. I think that's good. What else does it have on here? That's basically it. There's not much to go on, which is great for me. It's less complicated. I'll have to keep a hold of that so I know the command controls for what I'm doing. So yeah, that's brilliant. Just looking on my phone for a bit more information. It just says tiny portable case, auto reconnect with Bluetooth, strong connection and fast pairing. It really was. Smart touch control, which is really good. I'm really impressed by that. Comfortable fit, yeah, I haven't even had to change the ends that were on here. The tips are absolutely perfect for my ears, so that is fantastic. It just says the X08 Bluetooth headphone surface nano coating, which calmly copes with the dual challenges of rain and sweat when you're outdoors or for sport. Okay, so they're a little bit waterproof, which is fantastic. Superior stereo sound, it is very clear. For £25.99, I'm really happy with the quality of the sound. It's really good. A compact design, which it certainly is. But yeah, I mean, I am absolutely amazed. It says there's 40-hour playtime with them, so awesome. The LED display on the case for the wireless earbuds aim to show the power level for the charging case and earbuds. When charging for the case, the digital light will start flashing from 1 until 100, so cool. Like I showed you before, it said like, what was it, 88, 89%, something like that. I'm really quite impressed with these. They are so good. The quality on them is really good. So yeah, the age-old question, if I paid for these, if they were not gifted to me, and if I paid for these with my own money, £25.99, would I be happy? Hell bloody yeah, I would. I really would. And you know, with some products you buy, obviously the dream things to get are AirPods. They cost an absolute fortune. I haven't got AirPod money, so with some products you buy, if you haven't got enough money for the top branded thing, you're a little bit embarrassed to get it out and use it in front of people, but that I'm not. It's really smart looking. I really love it, guys. I really do. So let's just pop it back in. Oh, it's so cute. So again, I'll just turn that light off. You can see it there. I am amazed, like absolutely amazed. So you can see it's jumping around on the screen there. That's just the camera doing that. When I look at it like that, the only thing moving are them lines that are going up and down. But yeah, I'm really impressed with these. These get a massive thumbs up from me. For the price that you're paying for them, they are well worth the money. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.